Best kitchen chimney. Number 5. Good China kitchen chimney. Latino DLX a chimney. Approx price 14,599 rupees. Size 60 cm chimney for kitchen auto clean. Third generation dry auto clean chimney. Filterless power saving LED. Multi-speed wave sensor technology. Powerful suction of 1000 plus 50 m3 per hour. Noise level 58 dB. Duct diameter 150 mm. Number 4. Inalsa Auto Clean Motion Sensor Filterless Kitchen Chimney. Approx price 9,214 rupees. Curved glass with side wall mounting. Tufted glass top. Size 60 cm. Suction capacity 1250 m3 per hour. Filterless chimney. Touch control. Motion sensor. Maximum noise 65 dB. Thermal auto clean. 3-speed setting with LED light. Number 3. Hindware Nedia 60 cm 1350 m3 per hour. Filterless auto clean kitchen chimney. Approx price 11,999 rupees. 1350 m3 per hour suction capacity. Filterless technology. Auto clean technology. Oil collector. User friendly 3-speed touch control. Motion sensor. Warranty 1 year on product and 5 years on motor. Number 2. Faber 60 cm 1000 m3 per hour pyramid kitchen chimney. Approx price 7,400 rupees. Size 60 cm 2-4 burner stove for wall mounted chimneys. Suction capacity 1000 m3 per hour. Push button control. Noise level 52 dB. Pyramid wall mounted. Number 1. Elica 60 cm 1200 m3 per hour filterless auto clean chimney. Approx price 12,499 rupees. Filterless technology ensure powerful suction capacity. It comes with motion sensing technology. Curved glass wall mounted. Maximum noise 58 dB. Warranty 5 years on motor, 1 year on product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.